Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick. Today I'm going to be making a box for my prop hoverboard to live inside of. The most recent video, I guess, I created my hoverboard. What I want to do is I want to make a box for it to let this thing live inside of. I'm going to try to make it look like the Plutonium box from the first film. So I'm going to make a box that this guy can fit in, but it's also going to look like a Plutonium box. This is actually the same wood that I used to build the hoverboard. The maple plywood, same stuff. And this actually is very close to actually 1/2 inch. Sometimes it's not true to the measurement. I'm gonna be using this for the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this stuff down.
What we do here is go back.
All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to take this to the table saw. It's gonna be like another day, but to you guys, it'll be like a second. The other side of the board, 6 3/4. This is the top and the bottom of the board. 34 inches long, 12 inches wide. So this side's gonna be 12 inches across, 6 3/4 tall. Got all my pieces. Now we're gonna try to put it together. What I did wrong, I measured to the wrong side of the blade, I cut to the wrong side of the blade, and then I found out that my measurement was way off. I had to shorten it just by a little bit. I should still be fine for the board to fit into it. It's like a tiny coffin, kind of morbid, kind of weird. I have a box. What the plan is right now is that I'm gonna cut the box in half. So I have the top half and the bottom half. I've got it cut down into 2 pieces. I just need to shave down one side. I'm gonna cut off 1 1/4 inch, just so it's a little bit thinner because right now it's huge. This is basically what it should look like as it's on the box. This looks really good so far. I'm really excited about this. All right, time to pack up and go home. I was hoping to be able to record that, but I'm a dummy and didn't push the record button. So real quick, this is what I just did. I just got this side screwed into here. Boom, 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 boom. I need to go to the store, get some more screws. I'm running out. I'm very low on the size of screw that I need. I need about 18 for each one of these sides, each one of these corners. All right, so these are the screws that I need right here. They're also shorter. They're only 1/2 inch long. So should be good. Right now I've gotten the bottom supports in on the bottom side of the box. The only thing left I need to do before I add felt is put some supports on the top so it kind of like sandwiches the board down. so it doesn't jump up and down. I've got the side to side and the backwards and forwards, but now I just need to make sure that the box doesn't move up and down and wiggle back and forth while it's being carried around. Okay, so I'm not sure how I feel about this felt job that I'm doing right now. It's a little rough. It is my first time covering something in felt. That's new. But I have gotten the bottom half of the box in with the support pieces covered already. I just need to do the wall of this one, then move on to the other one, and then we'll be done with the inside. Finally, we'll be finished. So that's exciting. Here we go. So I finished the box. It looks good. And then the inside, I've got these guys open. This is my first time felting inside of a box, but I think overall, it looks pretty good. I got an added chain on the lid so it doesn't open up all the way. I'm gonna take the outside and we're gonna paint the whole thing yellow. I'm gonna have to cover up these holes from where I drilled in the top of the brackets and the inside, and then we're gonna be able to paint it. So that's next. Alright, so next I'm going to prime the box. I've already sanded down the box to get it kind of like a little bit more cleaner where I had drilled all those holes. I have also cleaned off all the aluminum pieces that go around the box. Now it's time to prime it and paint it. So it's been a couple of days, and I ordered all my stickers online, and they just came in. So I'm just gonna open them right now. But I got them from this company, Gronk Toys. It seemed like the best option online. We'll see. Oh, this is cool. It comes in this little package. So it comes with it says Plutonium handle with care. That's gonna go on the front of the box. And then I get 1, 2, holy moly, there's a lot of them in here. I get about 10 or 11 of these stickers right here. And these are awesome. These look like really good quality stickers. It's exactly what it should look like. Okay, so I'm gonna put these on the box now. A lot of these images that I'm finding are people that have made their own boxes and the stickers look really perfectly placed. But in the movie, they're just kind of put over the metal also. They're not specifically put carefully onto the box. They're just more or less slapped on, it looks like. 2 of them here, 2 of them on top, 1 of them there, 1 of them there, maybe 3 on the top. I want to make sure you know that there's plutonium inside. Yeah, it's gonna go like across like that. I want to be a little messy with it, so I'm not putting it down all the way. I'm going to cut a line right in the middle there so I can open it. Because I know because they didn't put the stickers on the seams, but I got to make it look as close as I can to like that picture from the movie. So I'm comfortable with it. I only have 1 more sticker left. I got this one, the Plutonium Handle with Care sticker. And that's a special sticker because it goes on a certain way. I'm going to put it right here because I know that in the film, the sticker's on the side of the box. I want to keep it consistent with the side of the box. That's where it's going to go. so I have my box with all of the appropriate stickers on it. Now I got a place for my hoverboard to live inside of. I'm pretty happy about this. It's really heavy, but it's sturdy and it's pretty durable. I did have to pull off a couple of the stickers, so the stickers already look kind of weathered already. I think it looks fantastic, and I'm excited to be able to store my hoverboard inside of it. This was a lot of fun to put together. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll love to have you on board. We'll see you guys in the next one.
What we do here is go back.
I'm gonna try to plan as much as I can before doing too much, because I've really screwed up in the past by not planning appropriately. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah.